traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down of video from this morning on gold, then make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold this morning, I was talking about how the trend is up, that this is likely the end of a correction right here. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, you probably already know where I'm going to go with this, but look at what happened today. Two waves up, one wave down, three waves up, so A, three waves up for B, and impulsive down wave C. Fibonacci level, engulfing move to the upside. What a beautiful, beautiful end of an ABC correction. Most likely this is a 1, a 2, and a wave 3, so I really doubt that this is even over. I mean, I would definitely expect this to stretch out some more. I'm sure there will be some pullbacks along the way, but I definitely would continue to look for longs because the trend is definitely back up ever since we had that breaker structure to the upside back here. Last week on, what was it, Thursday, Friday, we had that nice breaker structure to the upside. So, anyways, we have a little bit of news coming out over the next 24 hours. We got some Kiwi CPI inflation data. We also have pound inflation data in the morning, 7 a.m. UK time. And we got President Lagarde, the Central Bank of Europe, speaking tomorrow evening. Not really a whole lot this week for the US dollar. Retail sales is pretty much the only thing we have for the US dollar. Unfortunately, it could be a little bit of a slow week again for the US dollar pairs. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.